All right, buddy. Let's get your foot taken care of here. First, we're going to put a little pad cotton ball on there. And we're going to take a piece of vet wrap that we've cut 6 inches loose, not pulled tight. And then 3 strips. 1, 2, 3. Put the part that's not cut about 1 inch wide over, oh, hold on, moved a little bit, over the cotton ball part. That part will get wrapped around your foot and secured on top. Then pull the center one back. Take the one on the right, turn it around the toe on the left, up and around and over. And then take the one on the left, go between the toe on the right, up, or down rather, I guess, around and over. And then you will take the tail, that comes up, turn it around the spur if you've got one, if not, stay around the toe, come back around as a loop. Oops, lost it. Come down and secure it around the top. And that is how you bandage a pig's foot. Whoop.